going to say, so could you just obviously looking at it? It's on your right hand side now. The handpan. So what do the divots represent? What do they do to the sound?
So these, just grab it for you. You see it, okay?
Yeah, I can see it fine. Yeah.
So, the way I do it is I just pick a scale that I quite fancy having. So this is quite a kind of dark scale. I quite enjoy the sort of minors because they're a wee bit more mysterious sounding. I think.
Yeah.
I like the major scales because they're nice and happy. But I tend to spend more time on the sort of minor scales. The sort of no darker, but just got a wee sort of flavour to them. And each of these, this is an outward dimple,
Okay.
the main one in the front, and that's called the ding. And the way that works is there's a note. I think in this case it's a C sharp, I think. And along the long axis, you can see that it's a kind of oval shape.
Yeah.
Here, this goes for all the notes. The sort of bigger the oval, the lower the tone is, the lower the key is. So as you go higher, smaller, or higher up in the register, the lower, or further down. And along the long axis of the oval is an octave of the original note in the middle, and along the short axis is a fifth, or a seventh, or a fourth, or a third, whatever I decide to put in. So each note, each area has 3 notes in it, and they all obviously beside each other, so they all interact and start. You can hear. If I cover that, that's making that one.
Yeah.
Activate. And if you get it right, which I don't always get it right, I've got a few on the scrap pile, it coalesces and makes this beautiful sort of.
I was going to say that I can imagine I think that the physics inside my head. You can imagine that the sound is moving in a certain direction. You can keep the flow moving around, as opposed to it stopping at a certain place. And I bet.
Well, the wave actually. I don't know if you'll be able to hear this. You hear the kind of wah wah.
Yeah.
So the wave is actually coming off each note as you hit it as well. So the waves will interact as well. So see if you're standing above it, you're getting all that in your face, and it's brilliant, you know. The other side is just a hole, and it's the sort of space inside the air, as we're talking about with your flute. It's called the Helmholtz resonance, and that sort of creates that deep vibrational sort of resonance that you get at it. I don't know how this will come across. I'll play a wee minute just to give anybody that's listening a wee idea, if that's all right.
Okay. That's fine, yeah. I love that.
hard here because I'm wedged between two arms of the chair. You really need a wee bit of freedom to play with it, but so it's a great instrument. It's a beautiful, beautiful instrument, and then I don't know if you can see that. I put the Flower of Life on them as well.
I can see the Flower of Life, isn't it? It's the
That just seemed to be the perfect